Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for coming to this fantastic occasion. And I'll call Salman sir on stage. फिर वो एक पूरा photograph ले लेंगे. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Salman Khan. Good to see you again, sir.
Good to see you too, man.
And
Good to see you all. इतने late क्यों?
it's a very big day for a number of people, and they're very nervous. सबसे पहले मुझे शब्द तो सिर्फ nervous दिखाए for Suraj and Athiya. Something you have to say about Suraj, who you supported for so many months and so many years.
So there's one Suraj who supported me all my life. I can support another Suraj for a few months.
Perfect. I'd like to also call on stage another gentleman who started this about 30 odd years ago. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for where he still is the great showman, the one and only Mr. Subhash Ghai. Big round of applause for him.
Who is a big hand today? Salman Khan. So give a huge applause for Mr. Producer, the producer Salman Khan, who has taken this risk of producing a film which was made 30 years back and taken a courage to make a better film than Hero, which was made 30 years back. My blessings to new hero. Where is he?
So he's going to come in a bit. We'll try and make it a little
Introduction
grand.
बाद में होगा sir.
And the team, everything. देखिए ऐसा है, एक होता है असली प्रोड्यूसर, एक होता है फर्जी प्रोड्यूसर. तो ये असली प्रोड्यूसर हैं, मैं फर्जी प्रोड्यूसर हूँ. ये मुझे ज़िंदगी भर प्यार करते रहे, इसलिए इन्होंने कहा कि अगर आपकी कहानी है तो आप प्रोड्यूसर भी बन जाइए. लेकिन मेहनत सब इन्होंने की है, म्यूज़िक इन्होंने बनाया है, फिल्म इन्होंने बनाई है, निखिल ने बनाई है और टीम ने बनाई है. And my best wishes and blessings to this great project, sir.
Sir, this would never have been possible without your help. You know that.
Blessings तो दे सकते हैं.
And since Subhash ji has said,
Script दे दिया, blessing दे दिया, और क्या चाहिए sir?
Thank you, sir. Blessings की value was.
I told Subhash ji that वो आप युवराज बना रहे हो sir, मेरे साथ hero बना लो sir. ये right
I'm
बात है.
seriously thinking to make Yuvraj 2 with him only. And it's a remake of Yuvraj with Salman Khan only. You see?
No, but seriously, I like this film so much, even that time. So I said, if I wanted to do this, I mean, I'm producing it, might as well do it to Suraj.
And they have really worked very hard, that much I can know. Whatever I have seen, it looks very promising, very, very promising to me. Though I have not seen the film, but I'm sure.
आपको दिखा तो दिया मैंने सब गाने वाने जो मेन पोर्शन.
हाँ, गाने देखे और ट्रेलर देखा.
तो मैं भी सब.
जी हाँ, जी हाँ. But I'm saying that उतना ही काफी है. अगर वो पिक्चर होती तो क्या मजा आता.
हाँ सर.
Thank
तो
you.
आपने सीन को घुमा दिया.
Thank you.
यही तो है सर. प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर. Owner of Mukta Arts and Bistingwood. Sir.
God bless you.
I'm actually going to call another person on stage that will be part of this camaraderie. The man who's actually put this together and has probably said producer to both of you all quite often. Sir, very difficult project, sir said. Lot of risk. 30 years back, you're recreating the magic of then. It has to be recreated now. You don't look like you took a risk. You look quite relaxed and chilled out about it.
Everybody's telling me I'm looking tired. You're telling me I'm looking chilled.
That's because you come
You're
from
looking
Goa.
Fresh.
Come from Goa.
Right out of कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Yeah.
So tell me, sir.
Yeah.
Was it a big risk? Was it difficult for you?
No, I had the simplest job. I had
Yeah.
a great script.
Yeah.
And I had a I had the most difficult person to handle in this film was Salman Khan. He wants everything bigger. He wants everything better. I don't care, spend more money. Amar, am I right? And he's the most difficult, the best producer who
person
can,
to satisfy. You're right about that.
most difficult person to satisfy. So yeah.
So were you making rounds of the set,
Stating
sir?
the obvious.
Salman sir, were you making rounds of the set also and figuring out
No,
bigger?
I was just seeing the rushes, and I was saying bigger.
And bigger.
Okay.
I'm still saying it.
So have we reached a satisfied state yet? No.
No,
Okay.
but we will be when we release the movie.
On the 11th of September.
Let's
Please. Great.
satisfy some audience that has been waiting for quite a while, and we'll show this great trailer that you all have been working so hard on. So big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
This is just the rough cut, huh?
Ah, you're right there in the middle. Lots of proud faces and lots of teary eyes, I'm sure. I think a lot of weight went into this, and like Salman sir said, like Subhash ji said, and like Nikhil said, everyone was hoping that this would be what it is, and I do hope that it's lived up to everyone's expectations. And now, as soon as this last piece of equipment is put on stage, I will bring the two people on stage that you've been dying to see. I know you've seen this before, but did you like it as much? Watching
Yes,
it
it's
here?
quite cool.
It's quite cool. Should we call the two of them?
Yeah, please, yeah.
The two people that you've been waiting for, one who I've only seen on Instagram with flexing his muscles and fighting, and the other one who I saw many years ago, and my God, she's really tall. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the stars of the future and the stars of the present right now, Suraj Pancholi and Atiya Shetty.
So he's the heroine, and this is our hero. And the heroine's sitting there.
I'll give you all a moment.
क्योंकि बाद में सबको पानी पिलाएंगे.
And while you all are sitting, I will call the rest of this entire fantastic ensemble back on stage. So, Baji, if you could please come back on stage. Nikhil sir, Mr. Amar Butala, COO of SKF and co-producer of Hero on stage. I'd like to also call on stage Mr. Nando Ahuja, Senior VP of India Theatrical Eros International on stage, please. Okay. This is a very proud moment, and Suraj, enjoy every moment of this. Every single day is probably going to be in celluloid. When you go on Google, you're going to see these photographs many years later. So smile now, come on.
I'm sorry for that.
Don't be sorry, man. It's a lovely experience. We do this day in and day out. Sometimes it becomes very routine, and it's not. You put so much into putting into a film, and your heart and soul is out there. I think people forget there's a lot of passion. It's not about 400 and 700 crores all the time. It's about passion. So big round of applause, ladies
It's
and
also
gentlemen.
that, huh? Suraj. It's also that. Mostly it's that only. इसकी एडवाइस दोगे तो मर जाओगे.
नहीं sir.
स्टार्ट होने से पहले the end लग जाएगा.
Okay, so obviously we've seen the nerves, but we've got a woman of steel out there. Atiya, since we'll start with you, we'll be courteous. You looked a little nervous a little while ago, not at all here. So you love the arc lights, and you've got your dad and mom in front of you. Does that change a few things?
Yeah, of course. Gives me the confidence. They're my rock. They're my strength, and I'm extremely happy that they're here to support me.
I know, and I'm sure everyone will be. And sir, this virginal feeling, let's put it that way. Do you remember when it pehli baar years ago with the film when it first came out, something like that? Was this feeling ever there? Could you recollect that moment?
Sir, that was a very confusing moment for me.
Acha.
I didn't know whether the film should do well or flop. That was बीवी होते ऐसी. ऐसे जितने लोग मुझे इस पिक्चर में देखेंगे, उतना मामला गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. So I prayed and God didn't listen to me. It did 100 days at that point in time. And then I realized कि यहाँ पे नहीं सुना, तो अगर यहाँ पे कुछ मांग लूँ, मैंने प्यार किया, उल्टा कर दिया तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. But he's been very kind to me, and he gives me this thought in my mind to go ahead and spread, all the love that people gave me when I was coming in, that to give it forward. So I mean, like Anna's been a very close part of me. I mean, I've known him since before I was in the movies. So he was also trying to be an actor. I was also trying to be an actor, director, producer, writer, all these things put together. So my pictures, Anna's pictures, and there was this model who was a friend, Guri. He's no more, Gurinder Singh Rial. Used to call him Sunny. So I used to take their pictures as well. So I just show my picture, say, ये नहीं चलेगा, मैं नहीं चलूँगा. ओहो सर, सर एक बार फिर से देखिए. नहीं, okay. सर ये ऐसा कैसा लगता है आपको ऐसा? ये लगता है ये भी नहीं सर ये so I used to struggle with 3 portfolios and I remember the first day that Sunil walked into our house and dad said इस लड़के में कुछ बात है and I was looking at dad घर में एक लड़का रहता उसमें कोई बात नहीं दिखाई देती आपको and also when I was growing up just modeling and stuff like that I remember boots का हम दोनों को पहले से ही शौक था and Sunil used to have this place called Mischief and I went there to buy some stuff and I went there to buy some Spurs for my boots एकदम cowboy का एकदम चक्कर था उन दिनों के अंदर तो जहाँ मैंने प्राइस देखा स्पर्स का तो मैं बोला अरे यार ये तो पूरे महीने का खर्चा है couldn't afford it so he had some extra then he took me home and he gave me the Spurs in fact a year ago I just got them out once again they were the lying at the farm so I have those Spurs with me Spurs वो जूते पे लगाते ना cowboy वाले वो so there's a long connection Nirmal Pancholi that's Aditya Suraj's father I've known Aditya for the longest time I did Campo Cola he did Sprite na Baba yeah so first time we met I finished my film I was shooting for Campo Cola I just came back and he was shooting for his soft drink दोनों soft से लड़के बच्चे I think क्या सोफाया कॉलेज में मिले थे हम लोग है ना first time as soon as I walked in and I saw him I said अरे यार ये height कहाँ से लाऊं मैं the back up and then he was selected by Stardust and from there we became friends and you know he's worked with Sangeeta and he's worked with you know my friends and since that point of time we've been really close so it's been a nice short journey and I just thought it's the rightest thing to do is you know to see to it that these two get the right platform I mean I hope it is वो तो पिक्चर रिलीज होने के बाद ही पता चलेगा कि राइट है या रॉन्ग बट from what I see I mean from what I see both of them on screen I don't know what the fate of the film is what the fate of the film is going to be but I think both of them are stars I think he will come straight into my slot and he'll say chalo uncle thoda sa aage chalo my duty is not to aage chalo but for him to push me as long as possible kaisa acha chal thoda aage chala hi jata hu so I've got to hold my he's got to lessen the gap between him and me I've got to keep it maintained same thing with Atiya that every time a movie is offered to her with me she says no too old no so she should only work with the younger generation and never come up to that generation our generation no matter how big a stars we are कि ऐसा कभी नहीं होना चाहिए कि काम कर लिया उसके बाद अरे अतिया को ले लें अरे नहीं यार you know अभी थोड़ा सा टाइम चला गया है she should always work so hard that she should be working with the younger generation as well as the our generation समझे आप लोग नहीं कुछ वो थोड़ा सा you understand yeah
This is a tough act to follow, Suraj. You know, so we had
this is personal and professional थोड़ा सा confusing
I know, I
हो
loved
जाता
it.
है वो
I think we all loved it.
I mean our age group I mean I love her to work with Shahrukh and Amir and us but
Now you're working with her, but before that, so Salman sir said so much, and you know, pretty much had a history class for 25 years right now in 5 minutes. But when you come in after that, I know you've worked very hard, you know, so every time, like I said, my interaction or with you has been via looking at a little screen, and you work very hard, man, with your fighting, your body, everything. It's always been like that. So are you that driven because, you know, you don't want to fail and you don't want to let people down like Salman Khan and your father and Sunil Anna?
No, it's not that. It's I've been training for all my life, you know. I've been
Yeah.
training since I've been a kid.
Yeah.
And actually never wanted to be an actor until I met Salman sir. And I still remember he called me when I was at class and he said, Suraj, come to Yash Raj. So I said, मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ यार. I cut the phone. कौन है? Then Arpita calls me. She said, अरे भाई is calling you. I said, is Salman sir calling me? She's like, yeah, Bhai is calling you. Please call him back. I called him. Then I went and met him at Yashraj, and then he put me on to, he said, please work with Kabir sir. So I assisted Kabir sir on Ek Tha Tiger. And since then, I think he's put his hand on my shoulder and it's always been there. And I hope it stays there.
Always there. For the time, as soon as my hand shifts, you put your hand under my shoulder.
All right, we're going to open it up for a number of questions. Yeah, where do I start?
Hi, Suraj Atia. Welcome to the industry, Hindi film industry. Alok here from OFM. अब दोनों से मेरा सवाल है कि आज क्या तैयारियां थी यहाँ आने से पहले कि एक मंच होगा, बहुत सारे पत्रकार होंगे, बगल में सलमान खान भी होंगे, एक एक करके अगर आप बताएं.
Honestly, सुबह से तो बहुत नर्वस था. कुछ तैयारी तो नहीं की हम, पर मॉम डैड से बात किया. अभी जो होना है वो होएगा, उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते. पर आप लोग को ट्रेलर अच्छा लगा? If you like the trailer, I think सब अच्छा होगा. And I hope to give better in each and every film I do. I want to work with Nikhil sir again, and I hope that we do a very good film together where I can actually like really pay attention to what I'm doing. Because
इसका मतलब इस पिक्चर में ऐसा कुछ नहीं
नहीं
किया.
इस पिक्चर में किया मैंने, इस पिक्चर में किया, पर इतना हो रहा था. और हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे मनाली में, तो it was very intense for the first film, I guess. Right, sir? Was it? You think? No?
Wait
Yes.
for your second film and third film and fourth film.
So yes, I promise to get better and better. I am not the best right now, but I can be later on. I'll work towards it, I promise.
आदिया, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Before coming here, I was extremely nervous. I messaged Nikhil, so I think 5 times, saying, oh my God. But he calmed me down like he always does. And I don't know, I'm like so emotional right now because it's been such an amazing journey for both of us, for all of us. We've worked really hard. We've put in our all, and I hope you like it. And I'm so happy and glad to see so many people who are here to support us. And I just want to say thank you so much for being here.
सलमान, आपके हिसाब से हीरो कौन होता है और आपका हीरो कौन है? ये सवाल.
And I got my own mic, dude. You guys better do well, because the film does well, I do well. If, God forbid, anything happens, then buddy, I become a punching bag. One side your father, one side your father. Very difficult, huh? To survive that.
तो सलमान, आपके हिसाब से हीरो कौन होता है ना, आपका हीरो कौन है जिसको आप हीरो मानते हैं?
सर, हीरो के कैटेगरीज तो बहुत होते हैं. एक पहले हीरो होता था जो कि एक लूज़र था, फिर एक रोमांटिक हीरो हुआ, फिर एक्शन हीरो हुआ, फिर एक फैमिली ड्रामास के अंदर एक लड़का, एक कॉमन मैन, वो हीरो बना. मेरे हिसाब से जब आप थिएटर से निकलो एंड एक लड़की चाहती है कि ये मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड, ये मेरा पति बने, एक दूसरी लड़की चाहती है कि ये मेरा भाई बने, एक दूसरी लड़की चाहती है कि मुझे एक ऐसा बाप मिले, और एक और किस्म की लड़की चाहती है कि मुझे ऐसा बेटा मिले. So when you come out of the theater and women feel this emotion, different women feel this emotion for the hero, and the opposite sex feel it for the heroine, then I think you have your hero and your heroine both there.
Hello.
And you cannot do it without a film. You cannot do it without a script, without the screenplay, dialogues, music. You cannot do it without that.
Hello.
my
this is
question-
this is for Suraj here. Congratulations to all of you. This is Raj, member of the press. Here
Just
you-
one second.
here
Even I can't, please.
Yeah,
Oh, right there. Okay, on the right.
Okay, hi.
Simple सा सवाल है आपसे.
जी.
Why did you choose to be an actor?
Because I think I can live a lot of lives through this, and I think actors have, if they do well, being very honest, actors have a very good life. Um,
Really?
they have everything, really. Not always,
ये
but
पता नहीं था.
not always, but
Only producer's life is in problem.
Okay, it is for Athia here. Yeah.
Don't be honest. Say
What do
to be
you?
honest, why I wanted to be an actor
Yeah.
is because both my parents are actors. Is because when I started working on set as an assistant, I felt that chalo, I think I can do this क्योंकि पढ़ाई नहीं की मैंने. I was very bad in math. My mom wanted me to be a pilot. कभी नहीं कर सकता था. And action and the big scale, watching films. I mean, I've been watching Hindi films since I was a child, and I think it's in my blood. I think it's in my blood. It's also because of my mom. My mom wanted me to be an actor when I was around 20, 21. But I don't know. Let's see.
Okay, thank you. And Athia, this is for
Yes,
you.
hi.
What do you feel is your USP as a performer?
I hope my USP as a performer would be that people would think I'm confident and I'm natural. So I hope I portray that on screen. And yeah.
My question is for both the newcomers here. Hi. Here.
I can't see. There's too many lights.
Your left.
Top left, next to
here,
lights.
here.
Yes.
Here. One piece of advice you got from Salman Khan, not as a producer, but on a personal level.
Before we started the film, I said, he said, Suraj, picture chalu ho rahi hai. I said, yeah, thank you, sir, and everything. He like, Suraj, acting mat karna. He said, ज़्यादा acting mat karna, dance सीख लेना, पर ज़्यादा acting mat karna. That's what he said. And jeans, boots. He said, jeans और boots अच्छे होने चाहिए. आज नहीं पहने.
It's a very simple thing, but I've realized one thing कि जहाँ jeans की fitting गई, hero गया. It's a very simple thing. It is जहाँ देख लो, जो आदमी की पैंट की फिटिंग, जीन्स की फिटिंग करेक्ट है, उसकी चाल करेक्ट है, वो चलेगा. जिसकी नहीं है, आप आंकड़ा लगा के देख लो. It is always नहीं है, out.
Hi, Suraj.
Hi.
At the center.
Yes.
Hi. This is your first stage appearance. What got you so emotional? What was your thought process at that point of time when you entered the stage?
See, I see. This is a dream launch. What people call a dream launch, it is one, and I don't think I could have gotten better than this. I see a lot of people over here who want to be actors. People who are much more talented than me, much more good-looking than me, have a better body than me, but they don't make it here, and I've made it, and it's a big thing for me. That's it.
सूरज
Hello.
एंड अतिया, आप दोनों ही लोगों से सवाल है, क्या आप लोगों ने सुभाष जी की पहली हीरो देखी थी? क्या उससे कुछ इंस्पिरेशन मिली आपको दोनों ही लोगों को?
Yes, I saw it when I was very young, but I don't think we can ever be compared to that on that platform. We've tried to create something different and something new, and I hope we have his blessings. And yeah.
सुभाष जी यहाँ.
One second.
Left. Left.
Just one, let me just complete that similar question to
Yes,
Suraj.
Hero, it keeps coming on cable. It keeps coming on NBOD and cable. So I've watched Hero, I think, about 10 times, but in pieces. Hero, when Salman sir told me that that he's got Hero for us, that is the day I got the DVD and I saw the whole film. And I think it's a very, very, very good film. The same can't be made again. What Jackie sir did, I can't do.
I was thinking that you'll do better. अभी बोल रहा है मेरे को ये. पहले बोल दिया होता.
I tried my best.
Salman, here on your right. सलमान, फिल्म पहले 4 अगस्त को रिलीज होने वाली थी और अब पोस्टपोन हो गई है, तो क्लैशेस की वजह.
क्योंकि हमने वेलकम को वेलकम कर लिया.
ओके सलमान, व्हाई सूरज एंड आतिया फॉर दिस फिल्म? क्योंकि सूरज ने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले कहा कि वो बहुत आपका फ़ोन उठाते नहीं थे और इग्नोर करते थे।
आपका इंटरप्रिटेशन तो कमाल ही है। हाँ,
तो भाई सूरज है ना।
ये आपको ऑलरेडी दिख गया प्रिंट के अंदर, या देखिए चैनल है ना। अच्छा, तो कोई बोलेगा कि सूरज पंचोली सलमान खान का फ़ोन नहीं उठाते थे। क्यों नहीं उठाते? इस 1 घंटे का कैप्सूल बनना चाहिए इसके ऊपर, नहीं तो नहीं होगा। और बिगनिंग से चलना।
Hi guys, this is Bhavna from Z News near left. Can you see me?
Yeah.
सूरज, अक्सर जब हम सलमान से पूछते here,
Yes.
जब भी सलमान से पूछते हैं बॉलीवुड का नेक्स्ट सलमान खान कौन होगा, वो आपका नाम लेते हैं। आप अपने और उनमें क्या सिमिलैरिटी देखते हैं?
मैं नहीं, I don't know why he says that, and I think I need to have a conversation with him because I don't think I can keep up with him. He is a legend, and everyone knows that. But it's I don't think anyone would say that. See, today if I become a big star and I go like, that's the next Suraj Pancholi. It's a very big thing for me to say, and I don't know how Salman sir sees me as the next him, but thank you, sir.
I don't see you as next him.
No, not him, but
I see you that you will do really well. And the slot that I've been doing, when I started off in the industry, that young, thoda sa action, thoda sa romance, thoda comedy kar ke jo bach ke nikla hu, I think that.
सलमान, रियल लाइफ में कोई सिमिलैरिटी?
He's got this great quality that he picks up things really fast. So he does action really well. He looks really endearing on screen. He is a young man. He can romance, and when he beats somebody up on screen, you can tell that man is getting hurt, and it's very convincing. So this is the slot that I thought that I...
निखिल, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि कितनी बार जब शूटिंग हुई फिल्म की, जब सलमान ने रशेस देखे, तो कितनी बार रिजेक्शन मिला है सलमान का आपकी शूटिंग?
बार रिजेक्शन मिला?
हाँ, मतलब कि बार ऐसा सुनने में आया था कि कि क्रिएटिव चीज़ें और होनी चाहिए और अच्छा होना चाहिए।
No, Salman's input from day one, जब हम लोग स्क्रिप्ट पे बैठे थे,
has been rejected.
जब स्क्रिप्ट has been rejected, correct. No, so I think Salman was very clear कि he wanted the day he called me and he told me, I want you to make a film with newcomers the way it used to be made. जिस तरह से बनती थी, जिस तरह से मेरा लॉन्च हुआ था, उस तरह से make those kind of films. I was coming out from a very small film at that time called D-Day, and मैंने बहुत ही छोटी film उस time पे बनाई थी. And Salman, when he saw a certain things that we had made, he said, Nikhil, I want Salam Ishq. I want it to be bigger. I wanted to keep...
in the bigness of the way he shot Salam Ishq, not the result of...
Yeah.
You guys don't scare me like this.
Yeah. The bigness, the way... Yeah. So, for me, I couldn't have asked for a better producer. Somebody who kept pushing us to the limits, kept telling us that you need to make it, go back, try make this bigger. And so it's not as if there was no rejection. It's just every time we were discussion stage पे बात होती थी कि ऐसे करो, action को we used to come with references and say ये action नहीं, action को बड़ा करो, इसको ऐसा करो, climax को और भी बड़ा करो, ये actors को, so it was always a collaborative effort, and he kept pushing us to make it bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger.
सलमान, आपकी तो तारीफ बहुत होगी as a producer, but here, center में इस तरफ. As a producer आपकी तो सबने बहुत तारीफ कर दी, but आपने किसी से tips लिया अच्छे producer होने का, या क्या कहना चाहेंगे एक अच्छा producer कैसे होता है?
देखिए, जो right अच्छा producer, director, एक्टर वही होता है जिसको एक अच्छे स्क्रिप्ट की एक समझ है. तो as long as you're taking a film because as a producer, actor or director, because you think it is a fabulous script, and the intention of why you're making this film should work. अब हीरो के अंदर मीनाक्षी शेषाद्री and Jackie Shroff at that point of time, both newcomers, did really well. Why? They were good, but the film was a super film directed by Subhasji. Rocky did really well. Sanju did really well. Why? Because of Rocky, Kumar Gaurav, Love Story. Then came Amir Khan, Betab, Sunny Deol. So that is the kind of film that we wanted to make. Now, I cannot keep on making all those love stories again. So the one that I like, which Subhashji had, and very generously he gave us the rights to make the film. I went up to him and said, this is the film that I want to make with two newcomers. And I just thought that Suraj and Atiya were the best to do these parts. सवाल क्या था आपका?
सलमान.
हाँ?
Yes. Salman towards your right.
हाँ, तो जो बेस्ट स्टोरी स्क्रीन प्ले डायलॉग्स चूज कर सकता है, एक्टर हो, राइटर हो या प्रोड्यूसर हो, आई थिंक जो अभी आपका सवाल का जवाब वो था.
Salman, talking about the box office collection towards
Just
your
one sec.
right.
One sec. We'll finish off with you, sir. एक second. Finish off with you. We'll take this one last and then you'll be last.
Here towards
Yeah.
your right, Salman. Talking about the box office collection. Salman,
Oh,
here
there.
towards
अच्छा,
your
sorry.
right.
जी.
Talking about the box office collection, the recent release Bahubali made 100 crores within a span of 2 days.
We don't think we can make that right now till we are proved wrong. If we are proved wrong,
Do these numbers scare you?
of course they scare you. Yeah?
सलमान आपके
One second. We'll finish with this last question here, please.
सलमान
See,
आपके
Bahubali is
सामने
a damn good film, but it needed our cinema to make those numbers, okay?
My question is to Salman.
So now we need their cinema to make us those numbers.
Okay, this gentleman right here. Yeah.
सलमान एंड निखिल, फिल्म कितनी ओरिजिनल है और कितनी डिफरेंट रखने की कोशिश की, और हमने देखा है कि जो हीरो का जो सिग्नेचर ट्यून था एक्चुअली फ्लूट का, इज दैट बीन देयर इन द फिल्म?
वो सिग्नेचर ट्यून तो सुभाष जी के पास था ही नहीं. वो म्यूजिक तो सुभाष जी के पास था ही नहीं.
वो
टाइटल भी सुभाष जी के पास था.
वो मेरे पास नहीं, HMV के पास था.
लेकिन स्क्रिप्ट उनके पास थी. That's all we needed.
सलमान आपके सामने
Okay, last.
थोड़ी बहुत थोड़ी बहुत चेंजेस
Sorry,
होती
यार,
रहती हैं.
we'll have to wrap up here,
अपग्रेड
last.
करते हैं, अपग्रेड
Yeah.
करते हैं टाइम के हिसाब से. हर चीज़ थोड़ी थोड़ी बड़ी हुई है इस फिल्म के अंदर. तो अब टेक्नोलॉजी भी बढ़ गई है. थोड़ा सा थिंकिंग भी चेंज हो गया है. तो we just done little extra in that. That's it.
सलमान आपके सामने. सलमान आपका गाना तो हम सुनेंगे ही फिल्म में, लेकिन क्या आपका कोई कैमियो भी देखने को मिलेगा इस फिल्म में?
नहीं, जितना आप यहाँ पे देख रही हैं उतना ही है.
Thank you, ladies and
जितना आप
gentlemen.
हर शो के अंदर देखेंगी, प्रमोशन के अंदर मेरा जॉब वहीं तक के है. बाकी पूरी फिल्म इनके और इनके कंधों पर, इनके भी.
All right, thank you, sir. Guys, one sec. We'll have to wrap up. We'll do a little photo op right now. We'll just do a little photo op right now.
एक सवाल
चलो एक सवाल आखिरी, मतलब 54 लास्ट सवाल. Just यहाँ से पूछ. We already asked from here.
मैं सूरज और अतिया से पूछना चाहूंगी,
नहीं,
इतनी
काश.
कंपटीशन है आपके जनरेशन में, तो आपके हिसाब से कौन आपका कॉम्पिटिटर होगा इस जनरेशन के एक्टर्स और एक्ट्रेस?
Competition for me right now, I think I'm too new. I'm just barely got my wings to fly, so I don't see myself on that level as yet. I hope I can get better, and then I will answer your question. But for now, I just want to work really hard, and I hope you all accept us.
When we get better, then we'll just be modest.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I'd also like to call on stage Monisha and Madhu, and then we have a little photo op. They're not here?
They're not here.
Then we just have a photo op.
Please, and I would like to call the original producers of both these kids. Mr. Aditya Pancholi and Mr. Sunil Shetty.